Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. If you're new, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you like what you see in this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys can notify whenever I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, it's time to go ahead and make our pull from the date night jar. Now, since you've seen me make this, and if you haven't seen that video, it will be linked in the description box below. Only thing I did add was this cute little date night top. So I didn't make it, but I found it on the internet and I just taped it on here and it just made it look so cute. It so looks cute in person. But we're gonna go ahead and pull from this and see what we're gonna do. Hopefully it's something we can do today. Let me let y'all see it, matter of fact. I have to put that out. I'm sorry. So it says treat self to manicure. Ooh. So since it said treat self to manicure, I'm definitely going to hit up my lady because it's a specific person that I like to do my nails. And so I'm gonna call her and try to make an appointment for tomorrow because I know that's if she's busy. Let's see if she's busy today.
Can I help you?
Hi, I wanted to know, does Mai have any availability later on today?
What time you want to come, honey?
Whenever she's free.
So what you need to do?
I think I want to do a full set.
You cannot come now.
Does she have anything for tomorrow morning?
If you want to come late today, can you come at 6:30 or 6:45 or 7 o'clock? You want to come at 7 o'clock?
Yes, I can come at 7 o'clock. That's fine.
Okay, so what's your phone number, please?
301.
Please full set, right?
Yeah, just a full set today.
Okay, thank you. See you at 7 o'clock with mine.
All right.
Thank you. Bye. Yeah.
All right, y'all. See y'all at 7 o'clock. All right, y'all. So the lady told me, as y'all heard, 7 o'clock, but then she called me back saying that I can come at 6. So it's only like 15-20 minutes away. So I'm leaving now. I haven't quite decided what kind of style I'm gonna get. Well, I know what style I'm gonna get, but I haven't decided like what kind of color. I'm really basic a little bit when it comes to nails, so I don't know. I saved a couple stuff that I've seen on Instagram, like little inspirational looking nail style. So I think I'm gonna either do box, like square nails, or coffin. I haven't quite like made up my mind yet which style I'm gonna do. I don't know, part of me wants coffin, and then part of me wants square. But I'm gonna look at the nails again before I go in to kind of see what shape I'm gonna give. But yeah, it just sounds real basic. I don't know if I want like the white dip powder or like the pink dip powder. I don't know yet. I think it's gonna be dip powder though. I just want something that'll last. I just know whenever I'm ready to take the nails off, I'ma just go to the place and get them to take it off for me, because I be messing my nails up real bad. Cause I just pull them off, and then you gotta wait for that line to grow back. Like the lines from the last time I got my nails done is now at the tip of the nail. I don't know what I wanna do, honestly.
Which one you like, honey? This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. It's kind of hard like trying to record her doing my nails, but at the same time, all of us women have gotten our nails done, so it was pretty much self-explanatory. But I'm glad I got to treat myself to get my nails done. So this is what they look like. Just some cute little pinky nails. I did decide to go with the square shape. I think the next time I get them done, I may just get her to shape them in coffin, but I am truly satisfied with my nails. So I'm glad this is something I got to do today. So probably next week or probably 2 weeks from now, I'm gonna pull again from the jar. Hopefully I get something. Hopefully I get to go out because I want to get cute and dressed up and try a new place. So I'm hoping that I pick that one. But anyway, so this is the very first start of the series that I'm trying to do on this channel. Again, this is all about self-love, doing something for yourself, treating yourself. You know, you work hard every day, you should be able to, you know, just do something nice. So whether it's going out, whether it's staying home, whether it's buying something, I kind of like, if you haven't watched the video, I did kind of like here and there throw in some stuff that I can do, throw in something that I can buy myself, or just chill, things that I can write down to myself. So yeah, this is a journey. This is step one. So I will see you guys in my next video. If you like this series, if you're thinking about doing something like this for yourself, let me know in the comments below. I thought she was about to hit my car. You saw that pose like, wait a minute, she was a little too close. But yeah, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.